Special episode, Good Friday, the Crucifixion and Sacrifice. Have you ever faced a moment of deep darkness, wondering how any good could possibly come from it? Does it ever feel like the weight of your mistakes or the brokenness of the world is too heavy to bear? Today, we are taking a brief pause from our Genesis study for a special episode honoring Good Friday. We'll discover the profound meaning behind Jesus' crucifixion, what it reveals about God's immeasurable love, and how to apply this supreme sacrifice to our everyday lives. Now, let's read the verse together. John chapter 19 verse 30 states, "When he had received the sour wine, Jesus said, 'It is finished,' and he bowed his head and gave up his spirit." Let's dive into the meaning behind this event. On this solemn day, Jesus endured immense physical agony and public humiliation, willingly taking on the punishment meant for humanity. When he cried out, "It is finished," it wasn't a cry of defeat, but a triumphant declaration of ultimate completion. The infinite debt of sin was fully paid, and the barrier separating humanity from God was permanently torn away. This event reveals the shocking lengths to which God will go to restore our broken relationship with Him. It challenges us today. Do we truly comprehend the cost of our freedom, or do we try to carry the weight of our own guilt? Good Friday reminds us that our salvation was bought at an incredible price, urging us to let go of our shame because the ultimate sacrifice has already been made on our behalf. To summarize, Good Friday highlights the darkest day in history that became the greatest act of love ever known. It warns us against minimizing the seriousness of sin, and invites us to humbly accept the free gift of total forgiveness. Let's finish with a simple prayer. Repeat after me. Dear God, thank you for the unimaginable sacrifice Jesus made on the cross for me. Help me to fully grasp the depth of your love and the finality of your forgiveness. Give me the grace to live a life that honors your sacrifice, trusting that my debts are paid and I am wholly yours. Amen. If you enjoyed this study, please like, share, and subscribe. And have a solemn and blessed Good Friday.